the foot of South Table Mountain, in Golden's super popular Applewood neighborhood, sits a secret garden you'd never suspect was here. This peaceful plot is made up of emerald lawns ensconced in wooded coves, towering old-growth trees, and lush, billowy greenery. For those who want complete privacy and quick access to downtown Golden, this is a rare opportunity to have the best of both worlds in an idyllic park-like setting. The property's barn is cleverly finished for plenty of potential as a future guest house. Site your dream home in a spot that speaks to you, surrounded by swaying foliage and twittering birdsong. Come tour this private sanctuary and begin envisioning your luxury build on an incredibly special lot.